sandwiches and donuts.
Yeah, for me, the snails are the highlight of Great Yarmouth. Like, if you come to Yarmouth, you have to go. There's a child in my shot!
What's up, bruh?
What's up, bro?
This is Paul's travel channel, and we are now in Great Yarmouth.
I'm going to keep that in there. That's staying in. Well, good afternoon, everyone. It's been 7 months since I arrived back in England from Southeast Asia. 7 months! And I've done nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Not accurate, because he's got a new job and he's also got a new tooth.
I've had 2 new jobs. Makes a change, it's not a spider.
It looks like a rat. A rat on a stick.
Well, that's good.
Thank you.
That's good. Hello. So, I'm going to show you guys the best of Great Yarmouth, which for me is the snails. Yeah, for me, the snails are the highlight of Great Yarmouth. Like, if you come to Yarmouth, you have to go. There's a child in my shot!
In the sea.
When in the sea? I haven't, not yet. Oh, I love it, I love it. But yeah, come to Yarmouth and you have to go on the snails, and I'll show you that in a bit. Okay, so like I said, we're in Yarmouth. It's the bank holiday, it's warm, it's sunny. I need a coffee, as usual. Still love me coffee. Becky, you getting a coffee?
I'm getting a coffee and an ice cream, because I've not eaten for the past 12 weeks.
Yeah, she's been on some extreme dieting, which I will do at some point to lose this. But I do like my pizza too much.
Do you hold it well?
Yeah. Underneath clothes. Take these off, it's grim. So, some of you may remember, if you've seen the vlogs, that it's Chevy and Luke. I've met them up a few weeks back. They're doing well, they're doing good. But yeah, in Yarmouth.
Our old stopping ground.
Yeah, we used to come here quite a lot as teenagers.
Yep.
As kids.
He used to come and kidnap me from school and then bring me for the weekend.
Yeah.
That sounds so wrong.
We're the same age. Like, she'd done 6th form, I was a dropout. Not really, I just went straight to work. I broke the rules. I didn't get a coffee. I got a milkshake instead. But I can't suck it because it's...
Yeah, but when it warms up it'll all melt.
It's really thick. Mm.
Also available at children's parties.
Shitting. Very nice. Very nice milkshake. I will have to get a coffee in a bit though. Okay, so we've left the beach. This is my childhood right here. My childhood. One of the best theme parks in the world is Joyland at Great Yarmouth.
No chance of dying.
To go on the snails. Should we have a look so we can see over the fence? Becky.
Well, I can't. I'm too small. Oh no, wait, you heard that.
Definitely one of the best rides in the world is the snails. Well, I'm 30 years old and these were here when I was a kid. Love it. We're going in. Oh look. I don't think even the signage changed since I was a child. Like,
You hold tight to that. Don't lose it.
Hold on. Going on, Paul?
I'm on the Snails. We're on the same side. Best ride in all of Joyland. Good looking. It is. I love it. Here we go again. Love it. Okay, so I can just see the Snails. I'm done. I'm going home. That's my day done. See you later, guys. Okay, so just been in the 2p machine. Vultures in there, I tell you, vultures. I won 4. Pretty much rinsed the machine and then I went out of 2p's and then the vultures swooped in to go to my machine. Okay, I've rinsed a lot of money in there. Had some fun, good to see. I think we're getting a bit hungry, thirsty. Okay, so we come to the American Dino and every time we come to Yarmouth, we come here and the food
Want to swap with me?
is good.
So you can sit on the end of the seat.
But it's good.
Me.
But yeah, I may have to be cheeky and have a milkshake and a beer.
You
My milkshake stands up.
Am I reassuring approach? I grabbed
Well, one coffee.
Are you
But
hungry?
this is my milkshake.
Is that what it is? Are you hungry? This little monster
With a side of it. Had to be done.
You're a little hungry monster.
Okay guys, ending the vlog for today. It's been a good one. Had a laugh, had a giggle.
But you didn't get donuts.
I didn't get donuts. Like, you go to the seaside, you always have to have donuts, and I didn't get any. Or coffee today. I only had a coffee this morning. What's going on? Oh. So anyway, yeah, that's the end of the vlog for today. Bye. Say bye, Becky.
See you later.
Bye.